This is the Land's End, the westernmost part of the British Isles, except of course the Northern Ireland, which is not part of the mainland of Britain. Those rocks you see there, where the waves are battering them, and those ones on the top are granite. That's the basement rock in the Cornwal. And they continue under the sea to where the Isles of Scilly are there. S-C-I-L-L, not Scilly, S-I-L-L-Y. Those are the last granite intrusions from the Cornwall batholith. And this is a little islet at the Land's End. Those granites also intrude and are exposed at the surface here. Typical joints means cracks where the rocks split of granite. It's kind of vertical and horizontal. In the mainland Britain, this kind of granite intrusions are called tor. T-O-R. And Hay Tor is one of the most famous ones because the tourists go there. It's easy to walk. It's a very shallow, angled hill, but vast. And when you reach the top of it, you see those tors. Those tors are, if you have watched some of the old Sherlock Holmes movies, I mean 1980s versions, series, you see that some of them are actually filmed in that location in the Hay Tor. And an exposure of the granite exists here. I can show you a big example of a feldspar here, a large crystal of feldspar, which is typical of the Cornwall granites. Now I can zoom actually. This is lichen, and that is the feldspar. And lovely crystals of quartz also, you can see there. They're shiny kind of. Here. One is here. Another one here. If I move the camera, you may see the luster. And that's another piece of the feldspar. Feldspar, when decays due to the weathering, becomes a clayish material. That clay is called kaolinite or kaolin, and that's the China clay practically when it is decayed. Feldspar, so when you see kaolin somewhere, it's the product of weathering of granite, and there is a granite nearby then. Oh, look at the beautiful feldspar crystal here, large. Feldspars of the Cornwall, in the granite of Cornwall, are quite large. Some of them 5-10 centimeter. What an interesting lichen. This one is grayish green and this one is yellow, orange. I don't know what's the reason for that. Look at the feldspar on the granite. They say it takes 100 years for a lichen to grow this big.